In today's world, making our homes eco-friendly is more important than ever. Eco-friendly home renovations focus on using sustainable materials and energy-efficient technologies to create living spaces that are good for the environment. From upgrading insulation to installing solar panels, these changes not only help save energy and reduce waste, but also contribute to a healthier planet. In this video, we will explore some upgrades to make your home more sustainable and eco-friendly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. Number 1. Energy-efficient appliances. One of the most effective ways to make a home more sustainable is by installing energy-efficient appliances. These appliances use less electricity or water than their traditional counterparts, resulting in lower utility bills and reduced energy consumption. Key upgrades include refrigerators with the Energy Star label, washing machines and dryers that use less water and have shorter cycle times, dishwashers with energy-saving modes, and induction cooktops and convection ovens. By investing in energy-efficient appliances, homeowners can enjoy modern conveniences while minimizing their environmental impact. Number 2. Eco-friendly materials. Using eco-friendly materials is crucial for sustainable home renovations. These materials are often recycled, renewable, or sustainably sourced, reducing the environmental impact of construction and decoration. Some popular eco-friendly materials include bamboo, a fast-growing renewable resource ideal for flooring and furniture, recycled steel for structural elements, reclaimed wood for flooring and accent walls, low VOC paints that improve indoor air quality, and recycled glass for countertops and decorative pieces. Choosing these materials helps reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and create a unique, stylish home environment. Number 3. Renewable Energy Solutions. Incorporating renewable energy sources into home renovations can drastically reduce a household's carbon footprint. The most common renewable energy solution for homes is installing solar panels, which can provide a significant portion of a home's electricity needs, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering energy bills. Solar water heaters use solar energy to heat water, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional water heaters. In windy areas, small wind turbines can generate electricity and supplement other renewable energy sources. Additionally, homeowners can consider geothermal systems for heating and cooling, which use the Earth's natural heat to regulate indoor temperatures. By embracing renewable energy solutions, homeowners can make a significant positive impact on the environment and achieve long-term energy savings. Number 4. Smart design choices. Smart design choices play a significant role in creating energy-efficient and comfortable living spaces. Incorporating large windows, skylights, and open floor plans can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy and creating a more pleasant living environment. Proper insulation in walls, roofs, and floors helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating and cooling. High-quality insulation materials like cellulose, made from recycled paper, and wool are excellent eco-friendly options. Energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple glazed windows with low emissivity coatings, can significantly reduce heat loss in winter and keep homes cooler in summer. By prioritizing these design choices, homeowners can enhance both comfort and sustainability. Number 5. Water conservation. Water conservation is another critical aspect of sustainable home renovations. Simple upgrades can lead to substantial water savings. Installing low-flow shower heads, faucets, and toilets can drastically reduce water usage without compromising performance. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and store rainwater for non-potable uses such as irrigation, reducing the demand for municipal water supplies. Gray water systems, which reuse water from sinks, showers, and washing machines for landscape irrigation, can further conserve water resources. By implementing these water-saving measures, homeowners can reduce their water bills and contribute to the preservation of this precious resource. Number 6. Green landscaping. Sustainable renovations shouldn't stop at the front door. Green landscaping practices can create eco-friendly outdoor spaces that complement the home's interior. Using native plants in landscaping reduces the need for water, fertilizers, and pesticides, as these plants are naturally adapted to the local climate. Permeable paving materials for driveways and walkways allow rainwater to seep into the ground, reducing runoff and promoting groundwater recharge. Creating a compost system for yard and kitchen waste can enrich garden soil, reduce landfill waste, and decrease the need for chemical fertilizers. Additionally, installing drip irrigation systems can minimize water usage and ensure that plants receive adequate hydration. By integrating these sustainable practices into their outdoor spaces, homeowners can create beautiful, eco-friendly gardens that support local ecosystems. Benefits of sustainable home renovations. Sustainable home renovations offer numerous benefits for both homeowners and the environment. Energy-efficient appliances, eco-friendly materials, and smart design choices can lead to significant cost savings through reduced utility bills and maintenance expenses. Eco-friendly homes often have higher resale values and attract environmentally conscious buyers. Furthermore, sustainable renovations contribute to a healthier living environment by improving indoor air quality and reducing exposure to harmful chemicals. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also send your queries on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.